Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today's topic is Italian phrases at work. Our first category is greetings and formalities. Buongiorno, good morning. Buonasera, good evening. Come sta? How are you? Buongiorno, good morning. Buonasera, good evening. And come sta? How are you? It's a formal way to ask someone how they are feeling. If you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Next one is grazie, thank you. Prego, you're welcome. Per favore, please. Now let's move on to our next category, common workplace phrases. Common workplace phrases. Posso aiutarti? Can I help you? Posso means can I? Aiutarti, help you. Next one is ho bisogno di aiuto. I need help. Next one is mi scusi, excuse me. It's a formal way to say excuse me in Italian. Mi scusi, excuse me. Next one is scusa, sorry. This is the informal way to say sorry. Scusa. Next one is può ripetere, per favore. Can you repeat that, please? Può ripetere. Can you repeat that? Per favore, please. Next one is non capisco. I don't understand. Non capisco. I don't understand. Capisco. I understand. Non, I don't, and capisco mean understand. Sto lavorando su, I'm working on, and place the thing. Sto, I am, lavorando su, working on. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I repeat them again. Scusa, sorry. Può ripetere, per favore. Can you repeat that, please? Non capisco, I don't understand. Capisco, I understand. Sto lavorando su, I'm working on. Sto lavorando su. Next one is requests and permissions in Italian. Posso prendere un giorno libero? Can I take a day off? Posso prendere un giorno libero. Posso, can I, prendere un giorno, take a day, libero, off. Ho bisogno di una pausa. I need a break. Ho bisogno, I need, di una pausa, a break. Pausa means break. Bisogno means need. Ho bisogno, I need, di una pausa, a break. Ho bisogno di una pausa. Posso prendere un giorno libero? Next one is può firmare questo documento? Can you sign this document? Può firmare. Can you sign questo, this documento? Documents. Next one is vorrei parlare con. I would like to speak with, and place the name of the person. I repeat them again. Può firmare. Can you sign questo, this documento? Document. Can you sign this document? Vorrei parlare con. I would like to speak. Parlare, speak. Con means with. Vorrei, I would like to speak with, and name the person. If you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is ho completato il compito. Ho completato, I have completed. O means I have. Completato, completed. Il, the, compito, task. Ho completato il compito. I have completed the task. Please make sure you remember this phrase today. Ho completato il compito. Please repeat after me if you want. Ho completato il compito. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.